So we changed. Marcelo will present before, but I will give an overview and the first results, and he'll continue the upward lightning talk. Previous children campaign, we had some questions about the upward lightning. We didn't know if they occur here in Brazil, and if they occur, where they will occur. And this problem happens in some countries. The cloud base is too low, and we didn't know if we'll be able to see. So we had in mind two possible places. Here in São Paulo, in the middle of the LMA sensors. The first one was Jaragua Peak, and the other one was Paulista Avenue. The difference between them is Paulista Avenue have the higher towers, and Jaragua Peak has a mountain below. So to see what the best place to position our equipment, we analyzed lighting location system data for 13 years from Vaisala sensors, and we got this density map. So we could see this dot with a white dot here, and Van Weir did this for us, put in the map of São Paulo, and this is the white dot. This is the Jaragua Peak. So in Jaragua Peak we had two towers. In the middle of the towers we have some small towers, and we call T1. It's 139 meters, and the T2 is 90 meters. The São Paulo city is 800 meters over the sea level, and the mountain in the case for T1 is 1,100 meters. So we put our equipment just in USP here with a fast and a slow antenna field, and our high-speed cameras. For the high-speed cameras, we put one with a 4,000 images per second and 5 kilometers far from the picture in Jaragua Peak, and the other one faster, 10,000 images per second with an angle 9 degrees angle. And the classic image, all the equipment from Cuba. We start with some local convective storms, and we see some really close flashes. This is the antenna here, T1, with the 10,000 images, and not even one connect leader appears. So it was nothing to see in the tower. So, but we got some. In January, we got some larger systems, and we see some positive cloud-to-ground flashes close to the tower. And now we could see the first upward lightning. In this first day, we got 4 cases, and after this, in 6 days, we got 15 cases. Some of them don't have the LMA data anymore because it's over the time. So this is the video. This should be the first video from bird lightning. But so no video. Mas minha versão.
We're in the wrong table, try to find out.
Okay. So, video show later. So the first result we had was for 15 upward flashes. 13 was recorded with the 4,000 images. 3 of them, these cases, were recorded with the 2 different high-speed cameras, and 1 of them is come from both towers. But this case we just have with the standard camera. First analysis we did was almost all upward cases were perceived by positive launch ground, and with some cases like this one was almost 40 kilometers start from the Jaragua Peak. So the first idea we had was the negative leader over the tower was enough to trigger some upward lightning. But we used the LMA data to see this, and we analyzed because with the high speed we could see the leader approaching the tower and the upward lightning occurred. So we got all the data for LMA data sensors from in the 4 thunderstorm days and plot all cases for each second, 15 seconds, and the time of where the upward flashes occur. And we see the lightning, where this lightning occurs with the time, and see the lightning location feature classification for this case. So was a lot of cases with the leader of the tower, was 3 cases in the for positive cloud grounds, and just 9 triggered upward, and 1 case for in cloud flashes. So 33 cases not trigger any upward flashes. So just to have a leader or negative leader in the top of the tower is not enough to trigger some upward. The other question we had is the intensity of this peak current and the distance influence this analysis. So here we can see the blue data. It's no positive quantum flashes with the negative leader passing over the tower, and the red dots is the upward lightning occurs. So no relation between distance and peak current with the cases. So the first conclusion we had, leader of passing over the tower is not enough, and don't have any conclusion. Peak current is not an influence for this, and the distance either. And the height of the leader passing over the tower with the LMA, we could see any difference. So next study for triggering mechanism, we can see flash duration or the continuing current and the static electric field, because which one can contribute with the triggering mechanism. Now we give our present situation after Cuba campaign. In this year, until January, since January 2012, we got 57 upward flashes. This is an average of 3.6 flashes per month. Yeah, and the Paulista Avenue in the final of the year, that's also produced some upward flashes. And we had a really good case with one positive lightning with the leaders passing over the tower, triggering in both towers in Jaragua Peak and with the in Paulista Avenue simultaneous.
Questions for Karina?
So at the end, you mentioned that you saw upward flashes simultaneously at the two places, at the two towers.
Two places.
How far are the two towers?
11 kilometers.
11 kilometers.
Karina, question. This lightning were observed for the location systems, lightning location system.
Marcelo will give us some light location system analysis in the next presentation.
Next talk from Marcelo, the presenter. Anyone else?